When you come in for your consultation, we not only look at your teeth if you're a candidate for whitening, but also look at your smile as another person would look at your smile. And we're very honest with you. And if we don't feel that your smile is a candidate for a whitening process only, we will tell you that. Meaning, if you have crowded teeth or spacing between your teeth, chipped teeth, short teeth, long teeth, teeth that you're not pleased with and you're trying to get whitening to improve them, whitening may not be the only process to get you there. And we will be honest and tell you what the proposed treatment plan is to get your smile the way you really want it.
Teeth tend to stain and yellow over time due to a variety of causes. Smile Solutions offers many teeth whitening systems to brighten graying or yellowed teeth, including the Zoom 2 whitening system. Zoom 2 is simple and painless and takes only 45 minutes in the office. Smile Solutions also offers night white and day white take-home trays, a 2 weeks take-home process, and professional strength crest whitening strips.